What's going on, everybody? I figured make a quick little video, show you what I've been up to. Added the new lip to the front end, carbon fiber, of course. I'm not sure of the brand or anything like that. I did buy it used, and I believe from what I've researched it's an eBay rep, but looks real good, I think, especially for the price and whatnot. Fitment was pretty good. Did have to make some adjustments though. Right in this area here underneath, had to make some cutouts because it was too long, and for some reason it had like a hump right there, so it was causing a big gap right through here, and then making this gap more than what's standard. And also had to do the same on this side as well. Had to cut that out. Already got a few little scrapes on it. Car's already low, but right there it's nicked out a little bit. Not too worried about it. Like I said, I got a really good deal on it. Got it pretty cheap, and from looking at it, I think it looks really good. Definitely gives the car a more aggressive look in the front end. Drop a like, hit that sub button. Got more stuff coming. Hopefully you guys are liking the content so far. Give me ideas for new stuff, anything you want to see, know about, whatever, just hit me up. I'm always willing and eager to talk and ask any questions. I did go racing last week. It was a horrible track, but it's gotten better. I'll attach that video at the end if you're interested in checking that out. I was running the best times that day of all the street cars in the class, but it got rained out, so didn't really get to enjoy the glory of maybe getting a victory, but my times were substantially better than the rest of those in the class, so I was pleased with that. This weekend, weather permitting, be going down to a quarter-mile track for the first time, so make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see what it does in the quarter mile. I'll keep this short and sweet, but hit that like button, help the little man out. All right, catch you guys later. Peace. What's going on, race fans? Thank you for coming out to the track. Just joking around, but seriously, we are getting ready to head down to the track, do some racing, see how the day goes. Last time I came down to this track, didn't do too well. The track's kind of iffy, so see how it goes. I've heard they've made some improvements, so we're going to meet up with some other people and head down there and check it out. Hope you guys enjoy.